We're going to start again. Tell us briefly your name, where you are from.
My name is Andy.
Louder now.
My name is Andy.
Alias,
From
alias,
Japan.
alias,
Japan.
Japan. Okay.
Yeah. I come from Isi local government.
Okay.
Prison.
When did you join ESN?
3 years ago.
3 years on.
Yeah.
So who is your leader?
My leader.
You know Guta there.
No, you can say it's our
Guta
leader.
one.
No,
You know Guta one there. Who is the leader?
only me, sir.
You are the leader, and you are the only person.
Only me, they are not a leader, sir.
Okay. So the attack on police headquarters and correction center, that is prison.
Yeah.
You are a member. You follow.
I follow.
Okay. How did people carry out the plan?
The plan.
To come and attack prison and police headquarters?
So it's because of some of my members where they are in the prison.
Some of your members in the prison?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can't rescue them.
Okay. But you don't know any one of them?
They don't know that, sir.
Okay. So on that day, what were you carrying?
One,
Which arms and ammunition did you carry that day?
myself. I carry very big stick. I not even enter inside station, but I wait outside gates. Because we are men.
In the prison, you entered the prison. And what damage did you cause in the prison?
Louvers.
You said?
Louvers.
You broke louvers?
At the Almacona.
Almaco?
Yeah.
Glasses?
Oh, yes.
That's the one you broke.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Now that, what is the aim for you joining ESN? What do you want to achieve?
So, to tell you the fact, we are freedom fighters.
Freedom
Myself, I'm a
fighters.
freedom fighters. We are looking for freedom.
Okay, if you are fighting for freedom, what about those people that you kill, like the soldiers at Ukwoji when they were going? Why did people kill them?
Ukwaji. Our motto, now the first motto, we don't pass. But I hear say something like that happen.
Okay, your first motor has passed.
Pass, yes, sir. But I hear say something like
If
that.
you are in the first motor, which means you are one of the big boys now.
No, sir.
Which
Yes.
motor were you that day?
Small bus. But we pick the guy on the road. Then after carrying us to, we then leave and go away.
Okay. So, are you regretting your action now?
Yeah?
Are you regretting your action?
Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir.
So, what do you want the government to do for you now that you have been caught?
Sir, as I then, unless I don't offend that, but if government free me, fine. If they free me, I won't kill myself.
Okay. How long have you been living in Oguta? Since you are not from Oguta?
They don't tell me for there.
Huh?
They don't tell me there.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes.
Where do you have children?
Oh yes, sir.
Where are they?
They are there.
Okay, for this ESN, how much do they normally pay you?
1 naira, they never give. Shishi.
They don't pay anything?
Yes. Then for me, say when Biafra come, they will pay us.
They said?
When Biafra come, they will pay us and tell our children.
Okay. It's alright.